ain't shit new. This shit real regular, you heard me? I know you niggas might not be used to this, but just pay attention. Oh, praise be the Lord. Ride my Camaro when I let that bitch swing. And my hair ain't same way my dick gang. Plain Jane on my wrist and my chain list. I just hit the city, took his main thing with me. I just hit the city, took his main thing with me.
Alright guys, so I've done a few cosmetic mods to this car and I haven't really made videos on them, but for those of you who have been following me on Instagram, or if you're a big fan of this car, then you can already see before I even talk about it, or you might know by the title, but whatever. Either way, I've done some cosmetic mods to this car and I've done some performance mods. So first off, I did a ZL1 spoiler upgrade. Okay, I think that's most noticeable. Okay, I also did the exhaust tips and something else with the exhaust. I'll talk about that in a moment. But the spoiler, okay, that was a must. But as you guys can see here, basically the spoiler is wider. Okay, so the SS spoiler comes to about here. The ZL1 extends just a little bit further. Okay, I like that. It kind of makes the whole back look wider. I also did the exhaust tips, so if you guys didn't see the ones before, I'll put it up here.
That's your first time in a Camaro?
But basically the exhaust tips are much wider. They are 4 inches. And they extend a little bit further out. Okay, so you guys can see it from all angles. I like them, man. They look freaking great. They're polished stainless steel. I mean, I got it for a pretty good deal, man. It's pretty dirty right now, but yeah, this just completely transformed the back of my car, man, and I love it. Also guys, what you can't see is that I did a secondary cat delete, so the car does sound louder. This is a work parking lot, some building, I don't know, but I'm going to try and I should be able to rev this without anybody calling the cops. But let me make you guys hear this, okay? So it's louder, man.